Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video because we are playing with some new holiday makeup. This is a release from SHEGLAM. This is the Enchanted Deco Dance. But there was an eyeshadow palette, some glitter gels, and of course a lip release. So we had to play around and that is how we got this look. But before we jump into it, you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see how I got this look using the new collection from SHEGLAM, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I'll be honest, I ordered this and I can't remember what's in the collection. I know there's an eyeshadow palette, that much I remember. This is from SHEGLAM, it's the Enchanted Deco Dance collection. So this is what the package looks like. It's super cute. It was more affordable to buy the entire collection. I like when they do that and they discount it because sometimes there's things that I'm not gonna buy, but when I go and pick each individual item, if it is more than what the collection costs as a bundle, I will do that instead. And then whatever I don't wanna keep, I put into giveaways for you guys, which stay till the end because I'm finally going to tell you how to enter into the giveaway for the holidays. Things have been chaotic, so I haven't gotten to do it in previous videos, but it's only fitting that we're doing a holiday collection and I give you guys the details on the holiday giveaway. Okay, so this is what's in the collection. We have some Lippies. I think these are like glitter gels, and then the eyeshadow palette, which is super cute. Oh, there's a little like perfume card. This was underneath the eyeshadow palette. What the heck? This is, oh, wait. Oh, okay. It's a dream, masquerade dream scented card. With this on here, the ribbon, which I pulled off accidentally. I think you hang this on your, like you can hang it somewhere. I don't know, I'll have to look it up. But I want to say that the perfume and scent is all in there. Oh, it smells really nice. Maybe I'll just have this off to the side on my table. I love beautiful scents. Now let's talk about the color palette. So the packaging is really cute. It has a lace overlay. And then underneath you've got the red and the green. There's not a mirror in here, which I'm not mad at because I do always keep a mirror on my desk. But then this is the color story. So I think I can definitely use some of these shades. I don't know if I'm gonna use the red, but it's Christmassy, so why not? Might smoke it out a little bit, but we also do have two shimmers in here. So I'll swatch those and then the glitter gels to play around with. Okay, so this first glitter gel, this is the Silver Screen. I can't wait to swatch that. It looks like so much fun. And then this one is Rouged. This first shade is Gilded. Such a stunning icy champagne. And then you have Art Deco, which is a luscious gold. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch those, right? There. This is that glitter gel Silver Screen. And then this one is Rouged. Oh, so stunning. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna swatch those right there. Now it's, do I wanna play with the red glitter or do I wanna play with the silver glitter? I kinda wanna play with the red glitter a little bit. I'm gonna go into the shade Fireside. This one's gonna go right into my crease. I'm gonna go into Jazz Club. This one I'm gonna pick up on my compacted smudge brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Smoky. This one I'm gonna pick up on a small pencil brush. So just enough smokiness, like you can see the difference between the brown and the black. Now, because I'm gonna do this red glitter gel, I want something underneath it. So I'm gonna put in the red eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into the shade Red Velvet. This one I'm just gonna pick up on a small pencil brush because it's not a huge area that I need it in, but I just want a layer underneath to grab the color. And you guys know I do not normally put dark shades in my inner corner. So we're just gonna go in slightly, just a brush of red. Looks crazy right now, I know that. Now we're gonna go into Rouged, and I have my silicone brush from Sephora. This is gonna help me place it down more precise. Okay, so it has already dried down. I need to go do this eye and I'll be back. Okay, I need to go ahead and finish off the eyes so we can complete this look. I'm gonna go into the shade Fireside and just on my small detail brush. Now I'm gonna go into Jazz Club. This one I'm just gonna leave in the outer corner. I bring it a little bit towards the middle. Give us a nice brown smoky eye. Now I'm gonna go into Smoky. For the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use the same highlighter I've got on now, which is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. This is in the shade OMG. Look how blinding that is. I had to restock on my primer that I absolutely love, the Hydra Veil, and I figured I would pick up a couple other items to try out. Because I've never tried their highlighters or anything like that. And then, of course, on the brow bone. Now I need some eyeliner, mascara, brows, and I'll be back because we have some lip products. Okay, we absolutely need lips because they're looking a little naked. But I need to go ahead and swatch these so we can figure out what we want to do first. I'm going to start with these two. I think they're the liquid lipsticks. It doesn't say that they are. It just says Screen Starlit Lip Set. Okay, so this first one is Velvet Robe. It's more like a brick red than a true red. And then we have Tartan Tantalizing. This is more of like a burgundy wine red. If anything, I'd probably go for this one. I'm not sure. I really don't know what I want to do. Now the three lip glosses. Let's start with the one that I think is like the lightest. This one has no color. This one is Enchanted. And it's just, in the tube it looks like it's orangey peach, but it is clear on the skin. There's no scent to them either. Then we have Gleaming, and this one kind of looks like it's a little cool toned, being on the grayer side. Oh, okay. I was not expecting that. That one is Gifted, which is stunning. It's kind of like a metallic shiny red. Okay, so these are starting to dry down right here. I don't know if that's a gloss. Yeah, they're starting to dry down. That definitely transfers. Okay, so this one's definitely not drying down, but these two are. And I kind of want to play with this one and add that on top of it and see what it looks like. Let me find a liner and we will play with them. Okay, you guys. I already went ahead and lined my lips. I pulled the Colourpop Lippie pencil in Grunge Girl. I feel some sort of way. We'll see if it just all comes together, because I feel like this red is a very vibrant. We went really like grunge, gothy, purpley red. All right, let's see. What was the girl from Bride of Chucky? This is that lip. Tiffany. Wasn't her name Tiffany? Where was this lip in fall? I'd say Wednesday Addams, but hers was not this bold. I like a bold lip, but I'm not sure how it, like, I don't think they're cohesive. I like it though. I like the color. I don't know that it's like my Christmas vibe. We still have this though. This is the shade Gifted. I feel like it's starting to dry down. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like it just like this? Do you think I need Gifted on top of it? I'm interested to know your thoughts. Would you rock this? Like, just go out no matter what, and like, is this your vibe? I'm gonna go ahead and put Gifted on. Okay, you guys, I'm back. This is the final look, and I have some thoughts. First off, this lip. Like I said, I've got the Colourpop Lippie pencil in Grunge Girl. This was absolutely grunge vibes. The liner went so well with the lip. This was tartan it's tartan and tantalizing together. Tartantalizing. That. This shade, really pretty by itself. I don't know that it's like my Christmas vibe, maybe my fall vibe, but then I put Gifted on top of it, changed it up. It's really pretty. It's actually dried down on top of it. And it's not like, it's not super metallic, but there's a different red hue to it that is still like gothy Christmas. I don't know. I really like how my lips turned out. I'm actually quite surprised. At first, when I just had Tartantalizing on with this eye, I wasn't feeling it. I was just kind of like, ooh, I can take this off later. But now, I like it. It's growing on me. Anyways, though, I have some thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. The Enchanted Deco Dance. This is so cute. I love the packaging for it. I feel like these shades right here, I could absolutely use for work. And then you get a couple pops of color for the holidays just in the corners. I like how it turned out. I had the brown and then smoked it out a little bit with the black. I think it turned out really nice. I want to know your thoughts. Is it something that you would pick up? Is it even a vibe that you would just embrace for the holidays? Of course, we had the Enchanted Deco Dance Starfall Glitter Gels. That is a mouthful. But we had the shade Rouge, which is that red, and then we had Silver Screen, which is that silver. I love both of these shades. I like how the red turned out. I might grab for these a little bit more towards the holidays. Maybe I'll use the silver at New Year's Eve. We have plans to go to Texas, so we will see. But I really like how my eyes turned out. And that is everything. I will have to try out the lip glosses and then try out this red shade, but I really like this. And SHEGLAM is very affordable. So definitely go check them out. I will link everything down below. So let me know your thoughts down below. Are you picking it up? Are you passing on it? Is it just not your thing? We've gotten through that, and we need to talk about the giveaway. I know. I was supposed to do it at the beginning of December, and it's the 10th. I messed up. I got really busy. There were some things. I had a family emergency that I went home for right before Thanksgiving. And when I got back, I was very scatterbrained trying to get back on track. But it did not stop the fact that I still had a drawer full of goodies for one of you guys to win. Now, I always get asked, what's in the giveaway. I'll tell you a couple of things, but not everything. The rest of it will be a surprise. I don't know about you, but I love a good surprise. So we will talk about the eyeshadow palettes that are in here. The first one, this is the Too Faced Sweet Peach. This one smells like peaches. It's absolutely stunning. This is what the color story looks like. I have it already in my collection, which is why you guys are going to receive this in the giveaway. And then, of course, we have the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. This, of course, is the one that I have. Yours is packaged up nice and neatly, how they sent it to me, so that it doesn't get damaged in shipping. But this palette is so cute. There's so many pops of color. There's some really pretty shimmers. I absolutely love my Natasha Denona palettes, and I just keep adding to my collection, especially her more affordable palettes, because they can get pretty expensive. So when I saw this, I knew that one of you would be super excited to receive it. We do have the Signature Palette Symphony from Ofra. This one is more of the burgundies. I don't remember. So and there's not a color story on the back of it. So there's the burgundies, and then there is the highlighter in the center, which is also doubled as a shimmer. There are some other things in here like mascara, there's some skin tools. So in the drop down box, there is a link that you can click on, and there are multiple ways to enter, and you can have multiple entries. This is open to international, so you are not excluded. You are allowed to participate, and I have shipped giveaway items, and I have shipped internationally in the past for giveaways. So if you're interested in it, definitely click the drop down box, click the link, enter multiple ways, and this will be open until January 13th. Once the giveaway closes out, I will personally be emailing the person that wins from the email that is in my information box for YouTube. I also, if I can't get a hold of you on email, will try on Instagram. I know I get asked how long I wait before I pick someone new, and I always have to answer that down in the comments because I forget to bring it up in the giveaway segment. So I wait 72 hours. If I haven't heard from somebody that I have contacted, then I draw a new person's name. Now, definitely enter. There are some great things in here. This totals well over $300 worth of pre-makeup and skincare to you guys. But I'm really excited for whoever wins this, and I will let you guys know January 13th. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.